expended by the time of the lawyers or the counsel in the matter.
That's all. So what my learned friend was saying, I was like, the speaker, the position of the speaker is now clear or whatever. Which speaker? The one that has left the house?
Has he left?
No. Once you decamp, automatically you lose your seat. The only case on that today is pending in the Port Harcourt Judicial Division of the Federal High Court. The case is adjourned to Monday, the 17th of February. For the 27th to come and justify why they should continue to parade themselves as legislators. Haven't Decamp, haven't jumped, to the other.
Could the case of Abegunle versus the Ondo State House of Assembly make a very good precedent of court in this matter?
Sure. Thank you. That is the locus classicus today. That is the law guiding defection. And the Supreme Court made it clear in that case. Once you defect, when your party has not broken down the line, because there's no fractionalization. At the time they claimed they were decamping. So once you do that, you lose your seat automatically. That was the basis of the decision in Abegunle and Labour Party. That's the law in Nigeria.
And the position of the law today, Mr. Falana, if you might also expatiate, is the crisis has to be at the local chapter, isn't it?
No. If the crisis is at the local chapter, it has nothing to do with the law. If you are saying that, the PDP now has 2 chairmen, 2 national secretaries, and officers, parallel officers at the national level, down the line, yet you can say, our party has been factionalized, I can now move. But that is not the case with the PDP. So if you move, you do it at your own peril. And that is what has happened.
But there are those who also argue, how morally justified would a governor present a budget before 3 members of the House of Assembly?
Again, this is the issue. If there are only 3 legitimate members, right, the governor can present the budget.
But the law talks about quorum.
No, the quorum you are talking about in Rivers is when there were 32 members. That was when Justice Omotosho gave his judgment. Now today, out of the 4 on the side of the governor, 1 became the chief of staff. You have 3 left. The others have lost their seat. So there are 3 members today in that House of Assembly. And it's not the first time. In 2016, Governor Wike, Nyesom Wike, presented his budget before 7 members. It was only in Plateau State that the Supreme Court warned, and that is the law. 14 members decamp, right? In the House of Assembly, I think there were 26 of them. Now, 10 impeached the governor. 8 voted for the impeachment of the governor after the remaining. And the Supreme Court said no. If you are going to impeach the governor, haven't been elected by the entire state. If there are vacancies, those seats that are declared vacant will have to be filled so that 2/3 majority of the entire members will remove the governor. So you cannot do it. So 3 members can carry out the legitimate function, and the Supreme Court made it clear. The only thing that the 8 members could not do is to impeach the governor, but they can carry on the duties of the House. And I'm saying in Rivers, a governor once presented a budget of 7 members out of 32. In this case, right, 27 have decamped. They have decamped. Nowhere, because the speaker, pro tempore speaker, declared their seat vacant. They haven't challenged it. The case that is coming up on Monday was filed by the remaining 3 members. Thou cannot go around parading yourself as legislators having the camp. That's what it's going on.